Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer brand emails into ActiveCampaign easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin transferring your brand emails into ActiveCampaign, first, log into your ActiveCampaign account. Navigate to the Campaigns section from the dashboard.
Click on Create a Campaign to start a new email campaign. Choose the type of campaign you wish to create, either standard or automations.
Select Next to proceed to the setup page. Enter a name for your campaign that reflects the content of your brand email. Choose your email list from the drop-down menu and click Next. Now, it's time to design your email.
You can choose to start from scratch or use one of the available templates. If using a template, browse through the options and select one that fits your needs.
Once you've chosen a template, click to edit it. This will open the email builder where you can customize your email content.
Add your brand's logo and images to make it visually appealing. Insert your main content, ensuring it aligns with the email's purpose.
Utilize the text editing tools to adjust fonts, colors, and sizes as needed.
After designing your email, preview it to see how it will appear to recipients.
Make any final adjustments based on the preview. Once satisfied, click on Continue to move to the next step. Now, review your email settings, including the sender name and email address. Ensure that everything is accurate and reflects your brand.
Next, set up tracking options to monitor the email performance.
This includes enabling click tracking and open tracking for insights. Once everything is set, click on Next to schedule or send your campaign.
You can choose to send it immediately or schedule it for a later date and time.
If scheduling, select your desired time and confirm. Finally, review your campaign one last time before hitting the send button. Congratulations, your brand email is now successfully transferred and sent through ActiveCampaign.
If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.